I'm going to show you how to create products in HubSpot. As you can see here, in HubSpot, product represents the good or services you sell. Building a product library allows you to quickly add product to deals, generate codes, and reports on product performance. So the product endpoints allow you to manage this data and sync it between HubSpot and other systems. So in HubSpot, we have the product there, and then there is some API. If you want to use API, you can do that. So for this one here, we're going to just show you how to create the product, basic product inside HubSpot. So you go to commerce, and then you can see we have product. So once you click product, you're going to come to this page. You click create. So as you can see, we have product name, product information. So you're going to need the name of the product. Let's say, for instance, MacBook Air. You have the SQ. So the SQ, you can put your whatever SQ that you want to put. Let's say, for instance, you said MCB, MCA, Mag. Okay. Yeah, so it can be something like whatever there. Yeah, so and then here where you can put your description. You put the descriptions of your product, and then we have the product type. So there you can choose whatever product type, and also you're going to be able to add some of the product type if you want to for the product options in the product under properties, and then you select product as a custom object as a CRM object, and then after that you can change this. You can add some of the options here under product type properties. We have the image. You can select the image here from the file manager, or you can, and then after that, or you can just paste the URL there. Here, if your product has the direct URL, you can paste it there, and there where you put the price of the product. And then here we have the billing frequency. As you can see, the price and billing frequency here will inform the pricing calculation for deals and quotes. So we have one-time, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and so forth. And then, okay, so we have the unit costs. So what is the cost of this good or services to you? So you can put your unit cost there, and then after that you can see the margin, so the profit there, and then the terms. The term length is how many months the customer is locked in for when purchased. Yeah, so there you can put there. It can be terms one or whatever stuff that you can put there, and then yeah. So once it's done, you can create save, or you can create save if you're gonna add a lot of products. Yeah, then boom, you save, as you can see here. So this is the way of creating products in HubSpot. So this is where when you create your products, and now you're gonna be able to add your products in your deals, and then after that create a code so that your line items becoming the product that you're gonna choose and sell to send invoices and codes to customers. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click a thumbs up and then subscribe for more.